culture, traditions, events, Rättvik. If you want a variety of experiences while in Sweden, you have to visit Dalarna. In this video, we are taking you to Rättvik, a small Swedish town that attracts a lot of visitors, especially during the summers. We decided to go in late July, and the weather was just beautiful. All across Dalarna, which is the region where you find Rättvik, you have this wonderful scenery. And it seems like everywhere you go, you have mountains and forestry in the far distance. And then we haven't even touched on the magical Lake Siljan. An iconic place in Rättvik is definitely Långbryggan, which literally means the long pier. It's one of the longest lake piers in the world, and it stretches out 628 meters into the lake. It is perfect for a walk. Or you can just go there to relax on the beach. This place really has something for everyone. Another famous place in Rättvik is Dalhalla. The place is originally a limestone quarry, but today is an outdoor arena and a place for many music events. While in Dalarna, we also visited other beautiful places like Tällberg, Falun, Mora, and Borlänge. If you want to know more about these places, you can find the links to those videos in the description. Rättvik is also a perfect place for just taking a stroll in the town and discovering traditional Swedish arts and crafts, or just enjoy some ice cream in the sun. If you want some souvenirs, you will definitely not leave empty-handed. If you're thinking about going to Sweden but don't know yet where to go, we got you. Wondering where we'll go next? Subscribe, and we'll see you next time.